Fort Max.
Morning children, today we are going to see how to convert rupees to pies and pies to rupees. So first of all we learn how to convert rupee to pies. For this we should know the basic relation between rupees and pies. For that I have written we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. I am written here P for pies. So first question is 48 rupees is equal to dash pies. We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. So 48 rupees is equal to 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. So 48 rupees is equal to 48 into 100 pies. So 48 into 100, that 48 two zeros, 4800 pies. This is very easy, you can do it directly. 48, then the two zeros, 48 two zeros, 4800 pies. So therefore 48 rupees is equal to 4800 pies. So next now pies to rupees. Second 67,000 pies is equal to dash rupees. Dash rupees. So what we want to do here, we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So from here we know that 1 paise means that 100 will go here this side. 1 by 100 rupees is equal to 1 paise. This is the relation we are going to use to convert paise to rupees. So 67,000 paise is equal to 67,000 paise is equal to 67,000 divided by 100. That is equal to two zeros cancel, 670 rupees. 670 rupees. So 67,000 paise is equal to 670 rupees. So next topic, geometry. In that we are going to see about a line segment, a ray, an angle. A line contains an infinite number of points. The arrows or the ends of the given line indicate that it has no beginning. That is, the line extends in both directions. Look at this line. The line extends in both the directions. We represent it with the letters P and Q. Symbolically, we written as this line PQ or QP. Line QP. Read as, எப்படி read பண்ணனும்னா line PQ or line QP. Next, a ray. A ray contains an infinite number of points. A ray has one endpoint. The other end of the ray is extended indefinitely. Only one endpoint. The other end is extended. Indefinitely. We can write XY. We name it as XY. XY is a ray. It can be read as only ray XY, as we always start from the endpoint. XY ray. The next line segment. A line segment contains a finite number of points. It is a fixed distance between 2 points on a line. It has two endpoints. It has two endpoints. We name it as D and E. Symbolically, we written as DE line segment or ED line segment. Here DE, this DE is a line segment. DE is a line segment. Next, we are going to see an angle. An angle is the figure formed by two rays. You already seen about the rays. So one starting point, there is no end. There is no end. An angle is the figure formed by two rays formed by the two rays called the sides of the angles, sharing a common endpoints, called vertex of the angle. This is the vertex of the angle. An angle is the figure formed by two rays called the sides of the angle. Formed by two rays called the sides of the angle, sharing a common endpoint, called, that is vertex of the angle. Symbolically, we write this as angle AOB. Homework: